and currently I am reading the essays of Ralph Waldo Emerson, and while I was at the chapter of Napoleon, I was came across to this line in which he mentioned that one of the worst disease that ever afflicted a human mind is like try to be perfect or like get after to the like perfection. Okay, and that line really made me think as well, because like this is true. That is one of the main reason that I'm making this video, and I'm not like kind of guru, or I'm not like type of expert in these situations or expert in those things, but I'm just here to like give my opinion, and I have right to give my opinion as well. And if I really take the deeper look, then and we are totally exposed to this thing more than we like thought. Okay, so if I take the examples, so there is a girl and she applies some cream on her face, then suddenly she became like perfect. Okay, so she get the perfect skin, she get the perfect job, now she is happy in her life. We know that is not true, but like we are exposed to this thing and we are watching that thing, and like some of us are buying that thing as well. Okay, let me know if you can relate this. But before like 1 or 2 years, if I have to put a picture in social media, then I have to click more than 4 or 5 pictures. Okay, for some case it can be up to 10, but to get one perfect picture. Okay, so we don't want to show our imperfection in the social media as well, so we want to always show the perfect side. And if we really want to post a picture, then one picture should be enough. Okay, but no, we are going to click about like 10 to 15 pictures, and we are going to choose one from them. And like I don't think like anyone have ever used the button. Do you remember, like if you really want to post the picture, there is like instant option of clicking the picture. No one ever used that thing. Okay, and there should be some kind of psychology behind this. Okay, so that is what I'm going to give my opinion about. And like I am not a kind of professional or things like that. Okay, so just I am just a random guy who is going to share his opinion. And at first the question should be from where the concept of being perfect came from. Okay, and I don't know about you guys, but and for me it was from movies. Okay, so we all know. Okay, so in movies there is some kind of character, and he was perfect in every area. Okay, so if we take the example of James Bond, he was perfect in every area that I can think of. Okay, so he can like flirt with girls. Okay, and he can like walk with confidence, and he can like endure a lot of pain, or he can like do a lot of fight scenes, or he can just do everything. Okay, that I am not capable of, and he can do everything. It was on movies, but I am going to compare myself with that. Okay, so that is the main reason. Like in YouTube you can find a lot of videos in which they are continuously teaching on how to like flirt, or how to talk with confidence, or like there are a lot of how to videos. Okay, you can find that thing, and that is not okay. They are getting like millions and millions of views because most people are insecure about themselves. Okay, they want to be like kind of character that is shown in the movies. Okay, so example for the James Bond, and if I see the James Bond, I don't have the guts to like jump from my house to another's house. Okay, I don't have that like gut. Okay, even though like I want to be like James Bond, I don't have that gut. Why should I want to like jump from like my home to another's home? Or why do I want to do the parkour? Okay, obviously I want to talk with confidence, or I want to like walk as the James Bond does. And in that way there is a kind of insecurity. Okay, then I am going to compare myself. I am going to compare my walk with the James Bond's walk. Then there is a comparison, and remember, the comparison is the thief of joy. And talking about like comparison, social media made it worse. Okay, so what I mean by that is, if I open my Instagram account and there is some of the person with six packs abs. Okay, or there is some like girl model with like perfect body, and I don't know, like they are not the natural, but like I want to be like that. Okay, so I want to have those six packs as well, even though I know like those are not natural and things like that, but that is the thing. Okay, because I want to like myself, or I want to be perfect in some sense. Because of that I really want to like have those things as well. Okay, because we are like individual, so we are going to have our individual definition of what being perfect means. Okay, for someone it can be the way someone talks. Okay, and for someone it can be the way someone like play some sport. It can be like perfection. Okay, so if I see Cristiano Ronaldo, he is kind of perfect for me, right? And it can be something like the way someone has their body, like I have talked about like body, right? But most of the time we only look from the like outer level. Okay, so what I mean by that is, let's just take an example in which like I am making this kind of video and there is another YouTuber as well, and he's making a lot of, and he's making a good amount of money, and he's getting good amount of views as well. Okay, so if I see only that thing, that is the outer level. Okay, so if I see those things and if I start to like compare myself, and if I only see those things and if I really start to compare it with myself, probably I am going to feel demotivated as well, because I am not getting the result that I should, okay, at this moment, because I only have a kind of like really small subscriber base. Then probably I am going to be demotivated as well, and soon if I just focus on those things, then chances are I am going to like stop making videos and I am going to give up as well. But I don't know the deeper layer as well. Okay, so it might be, okay, he was having a hard kind of like speaking, so he had to like practice those things a lot. There can be a lot of things that I probably don't know, and if I really compare, and if I compare myself with that understanding, then probably I am going to feel kind of motivation, or I am going to think like, okay, everyone has to start from somewhere. Okay, so for the initial days there will be no growth. Okay, no one is going to watch my videos and things like that. But after sometimes, if I can be consistent enough, or if I just do my work, like putting my head down and just do my work, then there will be some days in which I am going to like reap the benefit as well. Okay, so if I can have that type of understanding, then probably it is kind of like motivation as well. But most of the time we do not think like that. Okay, so we are going to see like outer levels, or we are just only going to see the, I can say, success, but we are not going to see on how hard he had to work to gain it, or how many failure he had to stumble upon before reaching to that point. Okay, so most of the time we just overlook to those things. Okay, so that is something I really want to like make myself understand. If I see someone bigger than me, then probably instead of, it is totally okay to like compare yourself, okay, in a positive level. I found out like walking like James Bond is a kind of perfect walk that anyone can ever have. Then I start to do that. Okay, and let's say I get succeed in that, then probably I am going to lose my original identity. Okay, so if I walk like that, probably because the people who love James Bond are going to recognize it as well. Okay, so my personal identity has been faded in that situation. Okay, and if I really make something out of me by embracing my own differences, that is how I am going to make something. How can you explain this? Okay, probably it is something like I am going to make something unique identity of me. Okay, just let me give you another example. Let's say, okay, there is like two pair of shoes. Okay, so first it is like original Nikes, and second is like first copy of that shoes. Okay, so what would you prefer the most? Obviously the original one, right? That is why we should always try to embrace our differences and make something original of ourselves. Okay, instead of like copying someone else, instead of following my definition of being perfect from someone else. If I see something as perfect on someone else, then probably I am going to copy his style. Okay, in this case I am talking about like walking like James Bond, then probably I am going to like walk like James Bond, but there is no original identity for me. Okay, and this line fits really well in this situation. I guess it was said by Oscar Wilde. Okay, so he said something like be yourself, everyone else is taken. And at the end, this is what I really think about, like instead of following like being perfect, I really prefer to like have a progress over something. Okay, so, and this is real life example. So I am continuously try to find a way in which I can learn English faster and better way. Okay, so that is why I started making these videos in English, because like I can have a rapid trial and error thing. Okay, so faster I can make the mistakes, and the faster I can correct them and again do those things, then probably that is one of the best way in which one can like continuously take himself or herself in a higher level. Okay, so what I mean by that is, if I finish this video and I'm going to sit for like editing as well. Okay, so in that I am having a kind of like reflection as well. So and in what areas I have made the mistakes, and like keeping notes on that, probably I am not going to like make the same mistake again. That is how I am going to like be better as well. Okay, so and if I take the two roads from here, okay, so in first, like I want to be perfect then I'm going to make the videos in English. Okay, so once I became perfect in this thing, then I'm going to make the videos in English and things like that. Okay, that can be the one way. Okay, and on another hand, like if I say to myself, okay, so from I'm going to make the videos in English and I'm going to continuously make the videos in English for at least 3 months. Okay, and after the 3 months, if I come back to this video, then probably I am going to see some kind of like improvement in the way I am talking, the way I am editing the videos. That is how I am going to improve as well. Okay, and Jordan Peterson said this thing, compare yourself to the one you were yesterday. Okay, not someone who is today, right? So continuously comparing yourself to the one or to your former self is going to help you along, and that can, and I'm sorry for this thing, right? And by that way you are going to like excel in your field as well, and I hope you are going to excel in your field. And this is it for this video.